Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about very interesting information related to astrology because I saw a lot of videos, I saw a lot of comments on my videos. People want to know about the rules of the planet, which I'm going to share with you. Special, first of all, I'm going to share with you the rule of Saturn, what Saturn wants from human, what Saturn rules. If we follow that rule, our life will be on better track. Our life will be on rising track because Saturn wants this from human. So I hope you can understand what I want to clarify with you related to astrology, because Saturn is dominating almost every horoscope, because it's a planet of, in Kalparash Kundli, it's a planet of 10th and 11th house, which is a house of your karma, business, job, relationship, PRs, your father, your name, fame, prosperity. And 11th house is a house of your fulfillment of wishes and desire. 11th house is a house of materialistic gains. 11th house is a house of your spiritual gains. 11th house is a house of your unexpected gains and links with higher authority. So if Saturn is well placed in your birth chart, you will enjoy a lot. And those relatives who don't have Saturn well in birth chart, they struggle a lot. So I'm going to suggest you some rules of Saturn. This is not a remedies. I'm telling you again and again. This is rules of Saturn. If you have a Saturn Mahadasha, if you have any type of Sadhasati on your moon sign, on your ascendants, or you have a Dhaya on your moon sign, so you should follow these rules of Saturn. I am again telling you, this is not a remedy. This is our rules of Saturn. So rule number 1. Be honest with everyone. Rule number 2, be humble, be polite. Rule number 3, always do everything in boundaries. Don't cross your boundaries. Don't cross your limitations. Be in your limitations always. And if you make any promise with anyone, try to fulfill that promise. Otherwise, don't try to make any promise. This is Saturn third rule. Third rule is compulsory for everyone. You have a Shani Mahadasha, you have a Saturn Dhaya or Sadhasati. If you follow the third rule, if you live your life in your limitations, in your boundaries, you will enjoy a lot, and you will enjoy all type of benefits, all type of comforts, and your life will be on rising path. So actually, I saw a lot of people, they listen astrologer advice, but they are not follow that advice in practical life. They're just listening astrology. They love to listen astrology, but they are not following the advice of astrologer. They are not following the advice of astrologer in practical life. So I would suggest you to every of my viewers, if you have a Saturn Mahadasha, Saturn Sadhasati or Saturn Dhaya on your birth chart is active, then you must follow these rules of Saturn. It will be act like a biggest game changer for you. So don't cheat anyone. Rule number 4. Rule number 5 of Saturn, always do your best. Don't look on others. Where is that person? He's doing little bit effort and he will get a lot of gains, and where I am doing a lot of efforts and my gains are very small. Don't think these type of thinking in your mind. Always be positive in your mind. This is all Saturn rules. If you always think about this, or other people's, my neighbor is a person, he's doing little bit hard work and he will get gains like this, and I am doing hard work like this and I get blessed and gains from this, so I'm very much disheartened. Don't think like this. You are best the way you are. You are fantastic the way you are. I just suggest you to improve your personality. I just suggest you to improve your thinking. If your thinking level is good, then Saturn will give fantastic results. If your thinking is negative, if you are always thinking negative and your aura is negative, you are always thinking wrong and negative for others, then you never success in Saturn Sadhasati or Saturn Dhaya or Saturn any type of transit in your birth chart. Saturn rule is do your work. Don't follow others. Create your own line, create your own boundary. This is all Saturn rules. If you follow this rule, you will be sky high, you will be top. Thank you for watching my channel. Namaskar. Jai Hind.